What is special in sales visit or sales call register in simpliRP? It facilitates centralized data entry of salesperson visit or even sales call data. After coming from field or after the call, the data of visit or call are to be entered in this screen. Here salesperson name, customer name and the contact person name are entered. The item code for which the sales visit or call is made has to be entered. From time and to time of meeting is entered. If it is already entered for that salesperson, system will alert the overlapping timing. Hence salesperson cannot do repeated entry for same meeting timing. System will ask for next visit or follow call due. By this you will be able to consolidate the report based on next visit dues, so that salesperson can plan their visit in the coming days. From the reports, you can filter based on customer name or salesperson name, by date. Also from the reports, you can get the number of visit and calls made. System also helps you to identify whether it is a follow-up order visit for an existing customer. This helps you follow up the customers in future. For example, for a particular period or day, which are all customers to be visited or followed up. ERP is for enabling your way of working. simpliRP is easiest way to manage your sales department.